A customer touchpoint map is where you can map all your customers' interactions and touchpoints with your product. Through it, you can learn which aspects of the customer journey need improvement and which ones are running well. The customer touchpoint map is a complementary part of the customer journey map, which involves more details. The customer touchpoint map can have multiple customer paths, and you can see the different journey of each customer. You can organize all touchpoints into different stages to better distinguish them. Write down the positive and negative aspects of each touchpoint, based on your customer's point of view. What exceeded the customer's expectations and what frustrated them? After building your customer touchpoint map, see how it can help you create a customer journey map. As your product and brand evolves, you can continuously iterate and improve your customer touchpoint map